action.
Hi, my name's Lee. I work at Abingdon and Witney College on the adults with learning disability courses. I'm part of a team. There's me, there's Sarah, who's our main tutor, and there's Annette, who runs all the booking of courses and all the administration for us. It's a hugely exciting time to come and book on courses with us at Abingdon and Witney College. We've just expanded courses, so you can come and you can do football with us, you can do some arts and crafts with us, you can study music with us, all sorts of things. So really exciting time. On this website you'll see below a link to the full programme, which is an easy read programme, so it's really accessible, easy to get the information from. So you've looked on the website, you've looked at the programmes that we're going to be providing, you're interested in doing something. What do you do next? What you do is follow the link, get in touch with Annette, email Annette, or use the phone number and call us and book yourself on a course. We can't wait to see you.